.44 Unitrex, 7 ends in the core, marked per the current Splice crossover marks as standard, whether it's 7 or 12 ends, as can be seen here. First leg is applied. The first single leg of the 7 elements, which have now become 4 groups. First single leg independent, the next 3 groups in pairs. I will apply the second group or pair of legs in the opposite direction. Markings can clearly be seen per the crossover markings for .44 Unitrex.
About it is the weight has to be off the ground when you start. The only thing is when you shut this off, you can't hold the weight around. So what you basically have to do is you have to bump it up manually and then set the photo gate here. And every time you have to push it up, but it's only making a revolution. But that's it. And you can still use the cycle count, the benefit of 6 cycle count. Yeah. No reason why we couldn't still do that.
For demonstration purposes only, I've cut the legs short and not stripped as much as the specification calls for. The legs will now not completely reach the opposite end on the next series of wraps, but if you strip to the full length, which is 84 inches, the legs will easily reach the end and then can be taped off, wrapped just beyond each pair now, and cut off any remnant, and then taped over and whipped in place. Once finished each of the 4 total pairs. Apply the third group or pair in the same direction as the first single end that was done, landing just beyond that single group or single end that was wrapped first.
Give it a minute, you'll smell it. I'm going to go to the bathroom and smell.
The last group or pair was applied in the opposite direction of the third. With the pattern as seen. 4 groups, single end first of the 7 ends, then 3 sets of pairs. First end goes on clockwise, wrapping at the current configuration, crossover configuration, and then the opposite pair wraps in the opposite direction, forming the first set of crossovers, following through with the third and fourth crossovers sets as seen.